Hello and welcome back to my channel. One of our viewers requested to show you guys the recipe of the beetroot soup. So this is a super easy recipe and you need just a few ingredients. I have some onions, about 1 medium onion. I have about 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium potato, and right there I have beetroot. My beetroot is already boiled because I found it at one of the supermarkets here in Germany, already boiled in a package of like 4 or 5 beetroots. But you can buy it raw and boil it in the soup. Yeah, so I'm gonna add this beetroot towards the end when the rest of the vegetables will be already boiled. But if you have raw beetroots, then add them at the beginning. Okay, so I have my soup pot right here. I have added about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now I'm gonna add the onions. And I'm gonna let the onions cook for about a minute or so. And then I'm gonna add the garlic. So I will be adding the garlic now. And let it cook for another minute. It smells good already. I'm adding about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 bay leaf, now I'm adding the potato. You can add carrots if you would like to. I just simply did not have carrots. And the water. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more. Should be enough for now. I'll give it a quick stir. Again, if you have raw beets, now is the time to add them. I'm adding some vegetable broth. I'm going for about 1 teaspoon. Mine is powder. So now I'm gonna let the soup simmer for about 20 minutes until the vegetables are fully cooked. The potatoes are nice and soft, so are the onions and the garlic. And now I will be adding the beets. I'm gonna turn off the heat. And now I'm just gonna blend everything together using my vertical blender. All right, the soup is not too thick, but it's not too thin either. We like this soup in particularly thinner than the rest of our soups. So there it is. We like to serve it with croutons. So that's how we're gonna have it tonight for dinner. It's packed with nutrients. It's healthy. It's ready in less than 30 minutes. It's really good. I hope you enjoy the recipe and come back to our channel soon. Bye!